is Harry from hookah.com. Today I will introduce you our newest hookah for you. Look at this. And here is our company logo. And this product, the name is called Edge Legend 4. This part is cloud of this hookah. And this is the remote. Look, it's too small and amazing. And here is the whole kit. Now I'm gonna show you some details of this product. Look at this real model. And here you can see here is some tobacco, which is I have already put inside. Okay, and this cloud, before you use it, you have to press this button for 5 times. Yeah, it's already work. And this button is for the temperature. The max temperature is around 350 degrees. You can set the degree whatever you want. You see, the first line, the number has changed. And this button is bring the temperature down. You can see the first line, the number is changed. We usually set the temperature is around 230 degrees. Yeah, 230 degrees, the first line. And the last line is the time. And also if you, before you use it, you have to start with the remote control. Press this button for 3 times. Yeah, it works. The time is begin. Okay, if the time is out, you have press this remote control again. The time is around 3 minutes. If the time is out, you have pressed this again. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how to smoke, and it is a real model like this. Amazing. It takes, and here is the new product, and here I get one who is want to try our new product. Let us try, okay? It takes is great and smooth, healthier than the old one and than the traditional one. It is well for you to choose from for this one. Okay.